Today we're going to be looking at some breaking crypto news, cryptocurrency price updates, project updates, airdrop updates, mining updates, new crypto, Bitcoin miner, bunch of stuff, fun stuff, concise, to the point. And with that, well, let's just go ahead and get to it. But first, okay, I got you. It's 10 seconds of tale, something we do every day here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Make sure to slap that subscribe button. My name is Vosk. I am the news host today. And yeah, let's jump into some more crazy crypto. If you've ever wanted the benefits of mining Bitcoin, but you didn't actually want to go through the hassle of setting up your own mining rigs and building your own mini mining farm, then you're probably going to want to mine Bitcoin with Compass, who will not only help you acquire Bitcoin miners, but also connect you with co-location facilities to operate that Bitcoin mining hardware. Learn more with our link out in the video description below. For some reason, I've got to say this on every video now, but it's not financial advice, my friends. So, quick recap on the whole Paraswap, airdrop, nonsense, shenanigans, whatever. The fact remains is that there's a lot of frustrated people. Let me click over to the old tweeter, and we'll talk about the minted drop here in a second. The pros and cons of that, I guess you will. But basically, to be honest, I find the Paraswap PSP airdrop disappointing, especially as I've used it numerous times since its launch. Organic use on 3 different addresses, on 4 different blockchains, yielded 0 PSP tokens for me, said a cryptocurrency expert on crypto Twitter. And look, hands down, this is like, I've gotten a lot of alpha leak from this account. Of all the accounts you could follow, hands down, I think that this one that you see on the screen is the best. I'll put that on anything. This is the best Twitter account. But in all seriousness, looking at their token distribution, it's 49% to the team, 51% to the ecosystem, 7.5% given to existing active users per their criteria. Their criteria was interesting. It was very high. And how did this all break down? Right, so one of the numbers that really struck me were these minimums. So they looked at minimum token balance. So if it was an old wallet and you emptied it, see ya, 0.028 ETH, 0.9 AVAX, 0.25 BNB, 20 Matic. And look, these aren't that high of minimums, but when I stop using a wallet, I empty it. Like, why would I just leave coins and thus basically money sitting there? Filtered users addresses with at least 50 transactions on respective, and see this on the respective networks. So it's interesting. Basically, most people did not get the PSP airdrop, including myself, who have used Paraswap. I touched on this in a recent video, but I want to touch on it again, which, by the way, subscribe to the channel. Come on, we're chasing 1 million subscribers. That's insane. Absolutely insane. I can't do it without you. So, looking at the exclusive, according to poster disclosed by the Thai supplier Bitmain, which is the most notable, arguably biggest Bitcoin mining rig manufacturer ever, historically moving forward, all that stuff. Bitmain will launch the new generation of the Antminer S19 XP because they got that experience and they love having terrible names. So with TSMC, biggest chip foundry in the game, my friends, 5 nanometers. That's pretty interesting. 5 nanometer chips here. 150 terahash a second at a whopping 3,225 watts. This ain't for your bedroom, brother. You're not going to like that. You're not going to get the good sleep. Welcome to sleep apnea if you put that thing there. 21.5 joules a terahash. That's record efficiency here. Shipped July to September next year. That's far away. Compared to the S19 Pro, 29.5 joules a terahash. It is a significant improvement. It doesn't mean that last gen hardware is no longer profitable, but it's less profitable. And as always, they're going to make as many as they absolutely can, because here's the age-old question. The age-old question. You know what? Nope. Whoosh, mining background, because we love mining. And on the mining background, let me tell you, why would these companies sell miners? Why wouldn't they just mine within themselves? Boom. Bitcoin mining farms by Bitmain. Okay, so Bitmain and the basically bigwigs associated, friends, millionaires, people with a lot of money, big miners, they have been fleeing China for years. But China recently, semi-recently, cracked down on Chinese miners. And the biggest clients in the United States co-location Bitcoin mining farms are Chinese, in my experience. Look, I don't know everything, obviously, right? But from what I've seen, a lot of things are just very surprising. And the smart ones saw the writing on the wall. They've been gone. They moved over in 2020. Understand that, my friends. They're doing good. But the fact remains, we have the next best Bitcoin miner here on the horizon. But you know what else is on the horizon? And it's not the Bitcoin maximalists who watch tons of opportunities fly right by them. I have made more money with cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin by far. Just want to put that one on here. For Bitcoin maxis, when ETH launched, Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency and the most used, biggest platform widely adopted, and also the worst transaction fees in the game, my friends. Yeah, that's going to be Ethereum. Come on. 5.185 Ethereum over 22 grand, 549 transactions. I've obliterated 0.15 Ethereum on transactions that didn't even go through. Now, if you want to know what pain is, that's what pain is. Okay, so when Bitcoin launched, it was worth 0.0007 Bitcoin. 6 years later, it's at 0.07, 100x against Bitcoin. Bitcoin has done phenomenal since Ethereum has launched. Ethereum has been parabolic growth when traded against Bitcoin. For example, anyone who calls Ethereum a coin, whether you love or hate it, whether you understand that there was a pre-sale, pre-mine, and all the the centralized aspects to it, and all the drama, and how none of the developers mine, yet it's a mineable coin, so that's why they're moving to staking to enrich their bags, and the Ethereum 2.0 chain is already live. Oh, just stop, Vosk. All right, I'm sorry. I'm going crazy in this bull run. But on a serious note, the facts remain that, look, it would have been better to buy Ethereum than Bitcoin. Year over year, Ethereum is a better buy than Bitcoin. You could say Bitcoin's a safer buy. Maybe Bitcoin would dip less, but Ethereum is going to pump more. It's a good note here that Ethereum and Bitcoin aren't the same thing, and that's fine. Some other token will outperform ETH probably over time too. I agree with that with the way that ETH is trending. The entire space is going up 100x from here. You can choose your risk curve, but I don't think Ethereum is risky, and neither does Raoul Pal. And you could have a comeback like Alex down here. Doge and Sheeb crushed ETH over the last years. I mean, that's true, but you're taking the best case examples, and yeah, they're meme coins, they're joke coins, but honestly, that was a big lesson. Shiba Inu SHIB token and Dogecoin Doge are big lessons in the power of the meme, right? We joke about it, and if you've been in crypto long term, you're hesitant to like really endorse and hype up Doge and Shiba Inu token historically, because you're like, dude, like, we're trying to change the world, have a financial revolution. I can't just make dog memes all day. The irony is that if I would have put all my money at every waking moment into the coin that had my dog's face on it, I would have more money than I do by exponentially far with zero work other than just slapping buys. Doge has been an incredibly easy coin to buy for many, many years. And those kind of lessons are weird. They're humbling. And it's a reminder that you can look at the fundamentals. You can think this project's really cool. It's, innovative, unique, going to change the world or whatever else. But I'll be sleeping on the meme coins, because meme coins can make you a ton of money. And this is not all about making money. I'm here to participate in the coolest tech financial stuff, period ever. I absolutely love it. But I'm also here to make money and earn passive income. Things like crypto mining allow me to do that, staking, other things, yield farming. There's a lot of ways you can do that. Obviously, there's crypto trading, active things on top of that. And all I'm saying is I'm not sleeping on the next meme coin. You can if you want, but those geniuses, love them or hate them, on TikTok, they're going to pump it. I'm going to be on the rocket. I'm going to be on all the rockets. Shotgun effect. You won't leave me behind.
Hey guys, it's Miss Vosk, and today I'm here to talk to you about KeyFi. KeyFi is a new decentralized finance app that offers intelligent tools that help users better manage their portfolios. It's an all-in-one platform for tracking, swapping, staking, and more. They're also about to launch their Pro platform, which has additional features including custom strategies, custom portfolio alerts, algorithmic analysis features, and a research database. KeyFi also just announced a massive airdrop starting on December 9. 1 million KeyFi tokens will be airdropped to their KeyFi stakers. That's about 1.3 million USD worth, or 10% of their total supply. Check out our link in the video description below to learn more. As always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing into any platform.
But it's not all butterflies and donuts, amigos. Sometimes you get creamed. Oh, yeah. So, dear Cream community partners, they appreciate your support as they work through the next steps for Cream Finance. What this means, exploring what happened. They're going to distribute 1.5 million Cream tokens to impacted users utilizing Cream tokens within the treasury, removing the project team's remaining Cream token allocation. There'll be no further allocation to the team. There's no change to users who have staked their Cream for iceCREAM. But what happened? What happened? They're going to continue their focus on growing the Iron Bank, tighten their token listing strategy to no longer include long tail assets nor tokens that can be wrapped and unwrapped, collateral limits, and just moving forward post exploit. But what happened? What happened was another flash loan exploit. So a mix of economic and Oracle exploits, attacker flash borrowed DAI from MakerDAO to create large amount of YUSD tokens, simultaneously exploiting the price Oracle calculations for YUSD price through the manipulation of multi-asset liquidity pool containing YDAI, YUSDC, YUSDT, YTUSD, on which the price Oracle relied. This all took place in a single transaction. That's crazy. Okay, so basically abuse, price manipulation. What happened here, we have decentralized tech that was beaten as it stands by someone who understood this, manipulated it, and had a lot of money, a lot of knowledge. They took advantage of this. What we're dealing with here is you start moving millions around, borrowing billions, and then exploit big money. So their friends at Yearn Finance salvaged $9.42 million. The attacker removed $130 million worth of tokens from Cream, Ethereum, V1 markets. So what we have here is a over $100 million hack and exploit. Ouch. If you were following our other videos on Avalanche, Joe, the Grow Airdrop, the Wheat token here, you'll be up to speed. But basically, as it stands, Wheat pumped and then it dumped, and I was, to be honest, hoping to see more positive price movement here. All of this negatively impacts the performance, the returns that you get on the vaults here when you're yield farm. You can also see that Wheat token is sagged under the $10 price, which is, down significantly from its recent all-time high. And what's interesting here is the way that basically all this went down. But what I want to bring up, here's a quick update, is the fact that the Wheat hybrid launches in 11 days from the time I'm recording this, 21 hours. By the time you see this, probably about 11 days. And so what happens here is we could see a potential, not only just pumping the price, but be able to utilize Wheat on another blockchain that exists on the Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche. And so we're going from Binance Smart Chain to Avalanche, all this crazy decentralized finance stuff. If you don't know what this is, we have a bunch of videos kind of breaking this stuff down. But I am curious to see if when that happens, if we will see a big pump. Or potentially, would we see Wheat flood over from Avalanche and seek to be dumped on the Binance Smart Chain, and they've gotten great returns from the Avalanche chain because they only launched a small amount of Wheat there that was very expensive, which led to very high returns in the yield farm.
Hey guys, it's Miss Vosk. Did you feel like you missed out on Shiba Inu or Doge? Well, I'm here today to talk to you about another Shiba meme coin and today's video sponsor, Techno Floki. Techno Floki is a meme coin hosted on the Binance Smart Chain. Techno Floki also has an anime twist to it, and we're all about anime here at VoskCoin. So my man, Techno Floki, he's got the Squirtle Squad glasses, he's got the robotic Terminator arm, and a Genji-style sword. This dude is the warrior of meme coins, and he's here to save Elon Musk. It's funny because they even have a little animated video and song on their homepage where Techno Floki saves Elon from all the other Doges. It's pretty funny. So there are lots of Floki coins out there. This one in particular is Techno Floki. Their ticker is TFLO or TFLO. Their total supply is 1 trillion tokens. So let's take a look at the tokenomics. We've got 4% of all transactions going into marketing. So that's promotions, buybacks, giveaways. We've also got another 4% going to Techno Floki holders in Doge. So that's the OG of the meme coin. So that's another form of passive income, you holders out there. And finally, 2% goes back into the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. So in total, that's about 10% fees on all transactions. So when you're trading, buying and selling, that's 20% you'd have to earn back. Techno Floki's presale is currently live at the time of shooting this video. And to join the presale, users have to install MetaMask, connect it to the Binance Smart Chain, send BNB to your MetaMask account, connect MetaMask to PinkSale, and then choose an amount between 0.1 and 1 BNB. Then you can buy Techno Floki. The contract has yet to be audited, but they shared that they will be auditing their contract after the presale. They also say that NFTs, a merch store, and a play-to-earn game are coming soon too. I also want to mention that the team here at Techno Floki is anonymous, so make sure you understand the risks behind working with an anonymous team before you invest. Check out our link in the video description below to learn more. As always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing into any platform.
As always, Zapper.fi, potential airdrop. Don't forget to do your daily claim. They don't pay me to say this. I'm just casually hunting this airdrop and reminding you. And if they do a crazy airdrop, I'm going to rub it in. I'm going to say I told you so. I absolutely told you so, my friend. Smart airdrop, leveling up, stuff like that. It's an exciting time in cryptocurrency. I hope you guys are having fun making money and, using cool tech. And just above all, every day I try to look at crypto and take a deep breath. It's very intense. It's very fast paced. It's very overwhelming. Every day I try to be like, all right, how can I have fun today? What can I learn today? And how can I maybe make some money today? And I don't mean to sound like so rooted in dirty dollars and all that stuff, but the fact remains that a lot of us are here because we want to make money. And that's okay. You can make money and expand the ecosystem and have fun like the entire way. So if that sounds appealing to you, then I think that you should smash that subscribe button. I think you should hit the thumbs up and you should leave a comment below and let me know what you want us to cover in the next video. As always, I appreciate all of you who take the time to tune in and watch our videos. I will see you tomorrow because we upload daily, and that's crazy. Please be advised, there are scammers impersonating us on multiple platforms. I don't want your money, I just want you to smash that subscribe button. Everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. That means it's not financial advice.